Welcome to Session 10, Percent Proportions and Percent Models. Percent means per hundred. That is why percent problems often become proportions. The basic setup is part over whole equals percent over 100. Let's solve a direct percent problem. What is 30% of 80? Step 1. Identify the whole. The whole is 80. Step 2. Identify the percent. The percent is 30. Step 3. Write x over 80 equals 30 over 100. Step 4. Cross multiply. 100x equals 2400. Divide by 100, and x equals 24. So 30% of 80 is 24. Now connect percent to ratio language. If 18 out of 24 students pass a checkpoint, the part is 18 and the whole is 24. Set 18 over 24 equal to x over 100. 18 over 24 simplifies to 3/4, which is 75 hundredths. So the percent is 75%. Percent change uses a different setup. If a price goes from $50 to $65, the increase is $15. Percent increase compares the change to the original amount. Write 15 over 50 equals x over 100. Since 15 divided by 50 is 0.3, the percent increase is 30%. Here is the common trap. Using the new amount as the denominator for percent change. For percent increase or decrease, the denominator is the original amount because you are measuring change from where you started. A percent bar model can help. The whole bar is 100%. If the whole is 80, then 10% is 8, 20% is 16, and 30% is 24. The model matches the proportion. Your routine is label part, whole, and percent. For percent change, label change, original, and percent. Then set the proportion and solve. The big idea is this. Percent is a part-whole ratio with 100 as the reference whole.